like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's no one else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. And if you feel what I feel, please tell me now that it's real. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. So I'm a lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust me when I say.
Anniversary, bro.
Thank you, thank you. Nagtanungan tayo kung ilang years ka na rin. Nasa ano ka na rin, di ba?
Pareho lang.
Pareho lang. Kasi nung nag-show po kami sa theater, siya na yung lead, ako yung unsung. Right?
Yes.
How old were you? 9?
I was 9.
Yeah. Wala na bang natitira? Kung dapat nang lumisan tayo di ba nadaraman kailan magkasinta? Ano ang nangyayari sa'yo? Ba't di ka marinig? Sigaw huwag kang bibitaw natin sa akin. Yan ang tanging kong hiling. Isusuko ka natin sa iyo hanggang sa dulo ikaw lang ang ako. Huwag kang bibitaw isusuko ka natin.
Thank you.
Yung sa lampas ka, bakit mo? Oh, man. More? Ready for my dance concert? Give me a few years. So, 30 na ha? Ay, salamat! Pinsan ko po yun.
Mr. Batista,
So much.
you know the song, please sing along with us as well.
There's color everywhere. Used to sing in black and white, never really in between. Waiting on the love of my life to come into my dreams.
You put the blue back in the sky. You put the rainbow in my eyes. I silver lining in my prayers, and now there's color everywhere. You put the red back in the rose, just when I needed it the most. You came along to show you care, and now there's color everywhere. You put the blue back in the sky. You put the rainbow in my eyes. I feel the light in my prayers, and now it's color everywhere. You put the red back in the rose, just when I needed it the most. You came along to show you care, and now it's color everywhere. It's color everywhere. All those highs and dies behind me, never to return again. But now you're just a minor memory. 'Cause baby, it's so clear to see the beauty that is waiting alive. You put the red back in the roses, just when I needed it the most.
sorry, thank you.
Kuya! I do wanna say some,
Kuya na ako.
ako may reason ako. I would like to share a very, part in my life na I think is very significant, and Kuya Christian actually plays a big part in that. So I've been in the industry for a while, and Kuya Christian was one of those artists who's seen me from the very beginning, and he's just helped so much sa music career ko.